Okay, create a 2D array with randomly chosen rows and columns, rows between 5 and 20, columns between 3 and 7. Okay, int rows equals int math.random times 5 and 20 inclusive. 20 minus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, and then plus 5. And rows and columns. Int columns equals, you don't have to do this as a separate variable, but I wanted to keep things a little simpler. And this is 7 minus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5, times 5. Okay, so those are the rows, there's the columns. And now I'm going to create an array, 2D int array. Int, I'm calling it nums equals new int rows. Now, like I said, you could have done all that math right here in these square brackets, but it just seemed a lot less complicated. I mean, if you're watching this video and then you needed a little help. All right, now we're going to fill it with the value starting at 300 going down by 1. So I'm going to say val equals 300. And we need 2 for loops. They have to be regular for loops. Int r equals 0, r less than nums dot length, or I could have typed the word rows there, r plus plus, and for int c equals 0, c less than nums at 0 dot length. That's getting the whole first row and then seeing how long it is. That's how many columns there are. And then we're going to say nums at r and c is equal to val, and val minus minus, just go down by 1 each time. So that puts 300 in the first one, 299, and it just does it all just like that. And then after all that, I wanted you to print array nums. So I think that's it. And every time you run it, it'll be different because it's random. But, you know, you'll be able to look and see. So that was 7 columns, and I don't know how many rows, but that's a lot. We'll run it again, and it'll be something different, probably smaller. That was 6 columns, fewer rows for sure. I want to see like 3 columns, but interesting. It's like going down by 1 every time. Anyway, you get